guys. Okay, so I just got the kids down and now I'm gonna get a quick prep dinner going on. I wanna get a homemade meal on the table quickly. So I'm gonna show you what I have in my fridge and what we're going to be whipping up tonight. So right when I get back from the grocery store, I like to do things like prep my chicken right away. Because in the moment, when I'm trying to get dinner on the table quickly after a long day and I'm tired, I don't wanna deal with like prepping the chicken and slicing it and all that. So one thing I do is right when I get back from the market, I'm sorry for my veggie friends out there. I will take my chicken, trim it, put it in between 2 pieces of parchment paper and pound it. You guys have seen me do this a bunch of times. So I'll do that and then I just put it in one of my bags and I just keep it in the fridge. So this is perfect. So right now, it's been a long day. I have chicken already ready. I don't have to deal with like trimming it and pounding it and everything. It's all ready to go. And I like doing that because when you pound it thin, it cooks evenly. So I can pretty much do anything I want to it. I can put it in strips, throw it in a stir fry. I can bread it, throw it in oil, make some breaded chicken, chop it up into little chunks and saute it. It's great. Okay, so that's the chicken. So then I have my cabbage. Stays good in your fridge for a long time. Some carrots under there, hiding. Yummy. I also have some cauliflower and this beautiful zucchini. Oh, it's the last of the summer vegetables at the farmer's market. I got as many zucchini as I could. You guys, my fridge is filled with zucchini. You guys are gonna be seeing some zucchini recipes, sorry. But I got these little beautiful zucchinis at the farmer's market, so I chopped them up. So when I look at this, I'm like, okay, let's whip up a little stir fry. The other thing too is, so my favorite pasta company, this is not sponsored, okay? Jovial, love their brown rice pasta. As you guys know, I'm gluten-free. I found this grain-free cassava orzo. Normally I can't eat orzo because it's like pasta, there's wheat in it. This is made out of a root vegetable. So that's exciting. So we're gonna try it. I don't know, we'll figure it out. So let's make a stir fry so we can get dinner on the table. Yay. Okay, so right now I have some onions going. I'm using toasted sesame oil, canola oil, a little bit of butter, and this is some big chunks of ginger that I'll take out later when everything's cooked. So I'm just gonna get these onions cooking until they're a little translucent, about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna add all my vegetables. I also got my water going for this cassava. And then this is just some rice I cooked for my kiddos. Yummy. I'm not eating that for dinner though. We're gonna try the cassava. Okay, so just dropped in my cauliflower, my zucchini. I'm gonna put in my cabbage and my carrots. So this looks pretty full, but this is all gonna cook down. So to this, I'm gonna add a little more butter. I'm gonna add some more toasted sesame oil, a little bit of chicken broth, start cooking it down. Okay, so I'm midway cooking dinner. It's literally been about 5 minutes. The chicken's already halfway cooked, which is great. Got my little ginger pieces there. My cassava is cooking. And these are my vegetables over here. Yummy. So let's check the chicken. Oh, so yummy. If you guys haven't, invest in a good pair of scissors. Poultry scissors I love cooking with scissors because you can like stab things and move them around easily. And then they're just such a great tool. Okay, that looks awesome. So I cooked it in all these yummy things. Chicken broth, a little soy sauce, a little butter, a little toasted sesame oil, the fresh ginger. That's gonna be awesome. So this orzo is still cooking. I don't know, I've never made it before, so it's not done yet though. My vegetables are done. So we're just waiting on the orzo. So dinner's ready. It's beautiful. I'm very excited to eat. I use a ton of vegetables, you guys, because it's really satisfying, low calories, you get a beautiful healthy meal. So here I have dinner, all the vegetables piled on top of the cassava. I got some of my chicken going. Oh, it's so yummy. The other thing I did too is, even though when you guys are cooking at home, Little things like my mom always taught me, you see food before you eat it, right? So you want it to be beautiful and colorful and have really great textures. So something like this, I just add a little bit of chili flakes on top, and it just adds a beautiful pop of red. And there's little simple elevations like that, like fresh herbs or things like that, whatever it is, some French sea salt. Just add stuff like that, because those little elevations really help just kind of make the meal extra special, even when you're cooking at home for your family and your friends and whatever. So it's dinner time. It's been a long day and I can't wait to eat. So thanks for hanging out with me as I got dinner on the table. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications so you know when I put up a new video. Cheers to you guys. Thanks for hanging out.